how to highlight something using a certain color inside Davinci Resolve version 18. So I will do it like this red one. To start from the beginning, I have to delete this one, so that's the highlight. Press backspace, go here to Effects, come down to Generators, Solid Color, drag the solid color over your clip on which you want to highlight something. So this is the clip. Reduce the size to, let's say, there. Okay, now currently is totally black. Let's adjust it. Go here to Inspector. On the Video tab at Generator, here's the color. Let's modify the color to, let's say, red, and close it with OK. Now it's covering everything, so that has to be adjusted from Settings. So make sure this one is selected, and let's crop it down. So at cropping, you can open and close these just by clicking on them. Let's cut off the top, so crop top, move that one, and let's say I want to show the English language, this one, so I will stop above that text somewhere there. Okay, and the bottom, crop bottom, move that one and somewhere, let's say, there. Now to make it transparent to see the text also, down here at composite we have opacity. Drag that one down and that's it. This one is this, and this is not moving, but the video can move. The camera was held pretty steadily, thus it's not moving too much, but the red highlight will not follow the text. So currently here it's not showing because the highlight begins later, and as the playhead goes there, the highlight is visible, and when it goes off, the highlight is not there, and thus it's not shown. And that's it, how to highlight something, a text in this case, in Davinci Resolve version 18.